Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the language on MuMu Player to English. So, let's get started. First, open your MuMu Player and go to the settings. Scroll down until the end and click on the second last option. Once you open that, click on the first option you see. After that, click on the plus icon below. This will open the languages menu where we can add a new language. At the top right corner, there's a search bar. Type in English and select the English language from the list. Choose the version of English you prefer. Now, you'll notice English appears in the list, but it's still placed below Chinese. To make English the default language, click and hold the two horizontal lines next to English and drag it to the top of the list. As soon as you do that, MuMu Player system language will switch from Chinese to English. After that, click on the three dots on the top right corner and then click Remove, select the Chinese language option, and delete it from the list. Now, we'll also update the date and time settings according to your country. Go back to System Settings and click on Date and Time. Turn off all toggles there. Then click on Time Zone. From the region list, search for your country, select it, and then choose your city or state. And that's it. You've successfully changed MuMu Player's language from Chinese to English and updated the date and time settings as well. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.